Hello friends, welcome back. So if you're looking for an awesome steelhead trout recipe, look no further. This recipe is so good that you will be making it again and again. I guarantee that. What I like the most about this recipe is the sauce. It is sweet and savory, pleasantly bright and perfectly balanced. And you don't just slap the sauce on and bake the fish. Instead, you let it marinate the fish in it for a few hours with all the veggies and absorb the tasty juices. So let's see how to make this. So here I've taken cilantro, parsley, carrots, potato, onion. Let's prepare the sauce here. So here I'm taking honey, 2 tablespoons honey. I will mention each ingredients used here in the video description. You can see later. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. This is soy sauce, less sodium one I'm using. 2 tablespoons sodium. Then we add Dijon mustard here, 2 tablespoons. We will add the finely chopped parsley and cilantro here. Next we will add ginger. This is cut in lengthwise. You can also finely chop it and add garlic cloves. I have taken 2 garlic cloves here. Chop it. Next we add 1 teaspoon black pepper coarsely crushed, half lime juice, lime or lemon, both works. You can take half of it. Salt per taste. Here I'm adding red chili powder 1 teaspoon. You can add paprika also. Now give it a good mix. Next we add this to the fish here. So adding the vegetables first. I've cut the carrots long lengthwise like this. Then we will add white onion. Next we add potatoes. I've diced it like this. And now pour the sauce over it. Normally what we do is we marinate the fish and cook it instantly, but here we're going to marinate it for a few hours. We will put this in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours so that all the flavors will absorb by the fish and the vegetables. So it will bring a very nice tasty recipe it will create. So I'm closing the foil here. I'm going to refrigerate it. So after 3 hours I've taken this out and going to air fry it. I will set the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. There is no flip needed. The fish, the veggies, everything will be cooked to perfection. Look at this, how gorgeous it looks. One whole meal is done in air fryer. The fish is cooked to perfection and the veggies and everything is cooked so good. So the tasty juices, the sweet and savory flavor it has from all the sauces that we add brings a very nice next level whole meal that we can do in air fryer. So here I've used a foil to make a foil boat where I have placed the whole fish without making it in fillets, and the veggies everything is added, and here you can see how good they look. One whole meal is done here. So let's see the review by my food taster.
What are you doing?
Getting more black pepper.
You want more pepper?
Yummy. The best thing I ever tried.
It's good?
Yummy. More salmon. I'm eating the best salmon.